Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shanmukh Ram, currently pursuing my bachelor's in mechanical engineering at Tamil Nadu Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. So I've applied to a total of 10 universities to pursue my master's in mechanical engineering at USA. Uh, this is my first video on YouTube, by the way. So in this video, I'll be telling you which universities I've applied, which universities gave out admit to me, and which universities rejected me. And also with that, I'll give you an overview of my profile, that is my GRE score, my IELTS, my work experience, and all that stuff. So let me share my computer screen to show you all of that. So let's get started. Let me open this document. Yeah. So I've scored a total of 315 in GRE. I've scored 151 in verbal and 164 in quant, and I got 4 out of 6 in AWS section. And coming to IELTS, I have 7.5 overall band out of 9. In speaking, I scored 7.5, in writing 6.5, 8 in the reading, and 7.5 in the listening. I could have scored more actually, but yeah, it's fine. It's not a bad score. It's a decent one. So my CGPA is 8.42 till the 6th semester, because I was applying in 7th semester. So universities have only asked transcripts till 6th semester, so it's 8.42. I've actually boosted my GPA because I got good grades in 7th semester. So I've done 2 major projects in my bachelor's, one in 5th semester and one in 6th semester. One project was going on while I was applying actually, so no research paper published, because the project which I was going to publish was actually going on while I was applying, so I was not able to show them any research papers or any conferences which I've attended. And I have 2 internships. One internship I worked as CAD engineer intern, and then now I'm working as a designer in product development at a 3D printing company. So I'll show you my website. This is actually my website. So this is a home page where I've given a small elevator pitch, and then I've showed all my extracurricular activities, the sports I play, the march past I participated and all. So this is my resume. You can access by clicking overhead. Yeah. So this is my resume, my experience as an intern, my projects, 2 major projects, 1 minor project, and then all my achievements, certifications, skills, education, and all the normal resume. And then these were the 2 projects I was talking about. I've actually done this first AgriBot in my 5th semester, and then the honeycomb structure project in my 6th semester ending actually. So you can click if you are interested. Go ahead and check out my project report, circuit diagrams and all. So same one, I've just given an overview of what my project is, what my project is about, but add some videos and photos. So again, if you want to check, go ahead and download the report. I'll put this portfolio link in my description. Again, these are my contact details. So now let's get to that university stuff. So the first university which I heard back from was Michigan Technological University. I've applied to this university on November 25th, I guess. And the decision was super fast. I received an admit within 15 days actually. I received an admit on 10th December. So this was the first admit. I was screaming all over house that yay, I got an admit and all. So by the way, I got a scholarship as well. Not actually a scholarship, but a professor has agreed me to take in as a research assistant. So I'm very much inclined to this university. I'll let you know. So my second university which I got decision was Arizona State University. This was actually a safe university for me, but then I've talked to some seniors. Seniors were like, there are more deferrals from fall 2020, so be safe while you are applying, and they've suggested me to apply to more safe universities. So I considered this Arizona State University as a moderate university. And then I got an admit on 8th of Jan. This was also super fast. I received an admit within 3 to 4 weeks. And yes, this is a GRE. By the way, I did not submit my GRE score to Michigan Technological University because I knew it was safe. I knew I could get in. So I did not waste the money to in sending GRE score. I guess it takes $25 to send, so I did not waste it. I've sent GRE score to Arizona State University, by the way. So the third university I received an admit was Texas Tech University. This was also again safe university. I received admit on 3rd February, and I did not submit my GRE score because I knew I could get in easily. By the way, Texas Tech University has offered me a scholarship of $2,000 in 2 semesters, and also it's an in-state fee. So I got waived off outstate fee. Probably you can say in-state fee is half of outstate fee what you pay. So I guess 50% scholarship, you can say that. So the 4th decision I received was from Georgia Institute of Technology, known as Georgia Tech. I knew I couldn't get into this university. I just applied it for my psychological peace. So I got a reject on 10th Feb. I was not surprised. I knew I would get rejected, but I was surprised that the reject was too early actually. So yes, I submitted my GRE. I've sent my IELTS and all. I got a reject, and then I've applied to University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. I've applied to this university on November 28th, I guess. I don't remember exact date because all the universities I've applied within 10 days, November 20 to November 30. I got a reject on 31st of March. It was surprising actually because I contacted a professor, and that professor genuinely liked my profile. He said he would definitely recommend like my profile, my application to the committee, but I don't know, I got a reject. I did not contact him after that. And then in the same day I got another reject. It was very upsetting. That day was actually very upsetting. I got UT Austin. It was again top 10 university, great university. UT Austin was actually very ambitious to me. All 3 of the universities which I showed, Georgia Tech, University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, University of Texas at Austin, these 3 are very ambitious, but I just applied again for my psychological peace. I did not want to regret afterwards that if I could have applied, I could have gotten into it. So I just applied for my peace. And then the next university I heard from was Texas A&M University. I got a reject at 4th April. This was very, very disappointing. I was actually expecting an admit from this because most of the seniors said I could get in to this university with my profile, with my scores and all. But I don't know, it was very disappointing. Then the next decision I heard from was Clemson University, another great university. For automobile engineering, it's very, very well known all over the US, Clemson University. By the way, I only applied for Masters in Mechanical Engineering, not in automobile. I got an admit on 4th April. It was good. I felt really good. Like I was like, okay, I got into some good university. And then I got an admit from University of Cincinnati on 6th of April. But this university have offered me around 70% funded program. Like they have cut off the tuition fee for 2 years. The tuition fee for 1 year was around $30,000. They've given me $21,000 scholarship. I'll actually show that letter. 1 minute. Masters. 1 minute. Masters decision letters, scholarship letters, Cincinnati. Yeah. So this is the scholarship letter. I got $10,582 per semester as graduate incentive award. That's what they call it GIA. So for 2 semesters it was around $21,000 waived off. I only need to pay $9,000, which was actually very good. I was very happy after receiving the scholarship letter. I got an admit on 6th April, but the scholarship letter I received was on April 15th, I guess, after 10 days or something like that. I need to only pay $9K to my masters, $9K, which is like around maybe 7 lakhs. That is actually very cheap comparing it to the other universities. And then I heard from Purdue University on April 23rd. It was an admit. I was very happy, but they did not offer the program which I've applied. I've applied to Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering, MSME. That is thesis program, which is a research-based program. But they rejected me in that program, and they gave me admit in their PMP program, which is Professional Master's Program, which is non-thesis. So I'm not interested. I'll not say I'm not interested, but I want to pursue a master's in a research-based way. So I'll tell you my decision, which university I did finalize at the end, or in the next video. So these are all the universities I've applied to. 10 universities. I got 5 admits, which are Michigan Technological University, Arizona State University, Texas Tech University, Clemson University, University of Cincinnati, and then Purdue, but I do not consider Purdue as an admit because I did not get admit in the program I applied. So that's it. So this is the all universities I've applied. In the coming videos, I'll let you know which university I'm finalizing and which university I'm going to pursue to my masters in mechanical engineering. So please do consider subscribing. I'm going to bring a lot of content about studying abroad. I'll be posting every video which related to my journey, like as a master's student. So please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.